Got the trains here. A lot of trains here. There's quite a bit of trains here too. Nice little thing in here. Got the N scale. I just started N scale. Got all these trains. More N scale. Oh no, Z scale. These are the real small ones. And HO scale. My scale. O scale? Yeah. O scale is huge. Look at that. It's realistic. It's S scale. I didn't say that. But this is S scale. All these trains. A lot of trains. A lot of trains in here.
What do I want? What?
Alright, here's another view. High above. Got a pretty long freight train right here. Oh, I found the trains. Like, look at all these. Thousands and thousands and thousands. Let's see, they got the Union Pacifics, the Southern Pacifics. Let's see. Got all the tracks, all the equipment. What the? I've seen this one before. Was that a train show?
So Chase, this is what we need to do. We need. Can you find one that you have?
I don't remember these either.
Oh yeah, they just put these in.
Thomas used to be.
No, the Thomas is.
Look at this, my people. This is the kind of scene I'm going for in my layout. Like we got but this is real ground. This is what's it called? Yeah, it's Chama. Yeah, they got the rotary snowplow and everything. I wonder if it's operation. I don't know. We got the depot and everything. All right, we're going.